Love don't dey in the air for Bolanle and her husband again. This video vixen Bolanle, the husband, don't come outside, come tender apology to the public. Say based on how he talk to him wife, all of na see, and when this guy they talk, say the girl na baby mama, the girl na this one and that one. Now in here don't correct, he don't come outside talk say all this one when do saying they very sorry. Say in fact, in they apologize to his wife and his son. Say he no say the son no go understand anything now. But for all this one when he doing, say that because that period in they vex. And the thing will happen then, he really vex him. Now he make him come outside. I can't surprise this guy now. He no call him baby mama again. Now he don't direct him as my lovely wife. My people beg, making her follow me see.
I would like to use this opportunity to sincerely apologize first and foremost to my wife, Mrs. Bolanle and my son for my action in the last couple of weeks, especially on social media. Those acts of mine are very unnecessary and uncalled for. All I said was in the heat of the moment. I would like to specifically apologize to my wife for calling her all sorts of names. My son, I apologize to you too, although you are not aware of my action, but I believe that sometimes in future you will. My wife, I pray and hope that you can find it somewhere in your good and loving heart to accept my sincere apology. To my mother-in-law and my in-laws, I want to unreservedly apologize for all the insults I rained on you during this unfortunate episode. I am so sorry. To my mother and my siblings, I am sorry for all the embarrassment I caused you all and the troubles I put you through during this unfortunate episode. Mom, I'm so sorry. To the Attorney General of Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Response Team, Lagos State Government in general, I want to sincerely thank you for helping me and myself and my wife to solve this issue amicably. Thank you, and I really appreciate everyone.
On a see relationship matter, on a see what I know like put my mouth. But bros, this one way just now speech you they read, king of drama. On a see as this guy calm down, read this, he no even shout. If so now me, I go say make the way when he shout, they abuse me. Now so you go shout, they read this later, make everybody hear. Because this one way you do it, I never know be I won't even pity you. But I hope say this one say he wants. What he even talk say? May want make the settle this fight amicably. Make no wahala, make nobody third party come enter. Say and even to him in-law, he no say he insult his in-law. Say the girl na Asha, say the mama na this one. Say in fact in they very sorry, in they apologize. Say make the in-laws forgive him. Bro say why you talk all this thing abeg? Where your brain dey? If like say the igbo wey you smoke, it don't come out now your eye can't clear because all those things when you talk then, if you go back, go watch those videos. You say if you go the reason and say they don't even supposed to forgive you. But I'm not gonna surprise say this Bolanle upon all this disgrace. She go still go back to this man again, go to chop love. I'm not gonna surprise. Because in the first place, I see and say, now Belle and I joined these two people together. Either this girl follow money so she can't go in and get Belle, but now we can't join two of them together. Because if you open your eye at the top of koro eye or your inner eye, if you use and look this man, you go know say this man no dey okay. You go not say this man are just dramatic, but I hope say this one. I say he said that sin don't die. He won't come bring a new one. I hope say no be tomorrow now you can't talk saying now somebody force you write this one, make can't talk. Because we know the kind of man who you be. I hope say this one where you talk now, you talk now with your mind. You come out from your mind because this one where they read from paper. You don't turn newscaster. I hope say no be person influence you, be a lawyer and I can't carry you say by force you must do this one. But God make you know the thing where you do is bad. I go carry your wife. So until you be saying I suppose settle hand in hand together, you know this now. You carry this girl post on social media. And look, Bolanle, now you get your decision. If you won't go back, you go back. Now your own choice. But how person will break your head? Blood will come outside. The person don't even respect your picking. Go do all this kind of thing for you. Last, go come carry one kind of apology. They come say, now what you won't do. But I go reason say this girl go accept this man because of say what the picking go need papa figure. So because of that one, now you make this lady go and accept them. But anyone where you want decide, now your choice, we will go support you as long as say you know they make the wrong decision. Anything where you want to do them. My people I beg, I hear this one as make I bring and come, make myself listen na hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Them don't arrest one woman wey strangle her two children to death because of say wetin she get small disagreement with her husband. Hey, see wetin women they do this one a love of war. This one they happen inside Kenya. This Madam Diana they talk say as she even killed them these children self. Now she use her two leg by herself. Carry go police station talk say okay I don't kill my children. But the reason why make this woman kill this, nobody even know. Because then this children don't even offend her. Now the man now do something to her, in which we never know what the man do to her. But just because say she vex or say they fight, now there she carry something behind her rope, behind her weight, just tie them these children for neck, kill them. My people beg, make now follow me see.
The mother of 3 is said to have committed the act and later called her husband, informing him of what she had done before surrendering at the Waithaka police station.
Diana alikuwa ni jirani wangu. Ilikuwa ni masaa ya karibu saa 7 hivi. Nisikia kama ni mngurumo tu, mtu anaguzaguza nyumba, lakini mimi ile akili ikuja ni nini kinaendelea. Lakini ni kama hii mataimu ndio alikuwa anaendelea kwa watoto wake, lakini ile akili iambii mtu nini kinatendeka.
When the in-laws visited the suspect at the Kabete police station, she confessed to killing the 2 minors but could not explain her actions.
She just told me that hajui nini ilifanyika, hajijui. She bathed the children very well, aliwaogesha vizuri, akawavalisha, akawapaka mafuta, took the other little one, akamosha, akampaka mafuta. But whatever happened, she can't even tell. They were playing with the kids and all of a sudden, akashika mmoja huku Sydney, akashika mwingine huku Miracle, and then she strangled them herself.
Kabete Police Sub-County Commandant Francis Wahome confirmed the incident, saying the suspect will be arraigned once the Directorate of Criminal Investigations complete investigations.
He appears to be suffering from some mental disturbance. I believe we also need to make sure that she also visits the hospital. She also has a young suckling baby, and so for her to be protected so that she may also take care of the other young child, she needs that. That is what we are doing with the investigating officer to make sure that she is attended accordingly.
The bodies of the 2 minors have been taken to City Mortuary, awaiting postmortem examination.
Even if person get mental problem, in fact, I'm not sure say this whole thing where this person do, it dey justifiable. Because I don't see where mad person get children and they take care of the children like say nothing even happen. So what it can make this woman now can decide say now this kind of thing she won't come go do. And say on a normal day now so she and her husband they quarrel, but until I beg. As you know say you and this man they always quarrel. What to make you know just carry your Ghana must go come out from the house. And if you not see them these children, you go see them as disturbance. Maybe you they see the man face on top of them. You just leave them put for the man. Carry yourself come out from there. Because this one way come kill and everyone understand. You they kill children based on the papa offense. Papa will do you something, you know go kill that one. Children, innocent children won't even know any. And as we gather this information, then these children said they be even 3. It be like say this woman try strangle the 3 of them. Like say the last baby now no just die. Now God now just be on that one side. But I beg, why you go get belly for a whole 9 months? You get first belly, second belly, third belly, carry them, even train them, these children reach this level. Or in the name of say you won't come kill them, say because of what say man vex you. This kind of talk, I don't know, be an juju follow, be waiting what because I know if not someone take explain the whole thing. Because person of for just day, in right senses, go on decide say you won't go do this kind of thing. I feel say this woman, she just do her mind. Because as the man talking normally, now so this woman they always threaten say she go kill these children, she go kill these children. Why you gonna use children be say now you born? Pikin was supposed to be your precious gift, you go come decide say you won't go kill them. Even if your husband they give you bitterness, you supposed to use them these children as your joy. Now they supposed to give you joy. But this one as you can't kill them now, what do you can't want make people do for you? Because you don't be like this, like nobody will even reason your matter because this one too they bad. For a mother, it means a person mama say you not even supposed to trust your mama again. Because for your mama to get mind, hold you for neck, strangle you, just keep person. It means say this person a devil, you go feel sleep for night at all. Where you go they reason this kind of thing. But I hope say this thing not be cover up. Maybe then these children, maybe nobody man get the children, the woman call reason and say, making cuckoo end the life of this trip before they will go do it DNA. Because me I reason all this one join say, maybe now waiting make this woman kill her because which reason again you won't give? So you do this kind of thing. Some people are never know so what even do. Maybe then these children innocent so rest in peace so make that they go hand but I say even them their body, you go they bite this she not go even feel sleep. Because somebody they cry for somewhere, they find say he want children. You can't see on a platter of gold, you can't decide say you won't kill them. In fact, anything when you see now your eyes, now you go use take carry them. My people, I beg, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come, make na service in ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what I just hear now, make not forget to write them for the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for the next video.